Hey my awesomes, welcome to the JLB channel. Be sure to subscribe. So today I'm going to be trying out a slick hair pony type of hairstyle. So I'm going to be using a SCARLET hair, and this has an ombre type of look to the hair extension. Yeah, this is like a braid hair extension, so I'm going to be doing one braid, like a ponytailed braid, like right there. I'm not sure whether I should put it to sit like in the middle, like somewhere here, but anyways, I'll see. I'm trying out this hairstyle for the first time. So I have evenly sectioned out my hair, and I'm just neatening up my hair parting with a needle because I don't have a comb with that sharp end point, but it actually works as well. So I'm just brushing out my hair, and I'm brushing it all in the direction where I want my hair to be all positioned. And I'm just going to go in with so now I am going in with a thinner hair comb just to flatten out my hair, because I'm not going to be using any hair straightener or dryer to flatten out my hair. Then once I'm happy, I just test to see that I'm happy with how flat and smooth it looks and feels like. And then I'm going to go in with my Eco professional styling gel and evenly distribute it around my hair. I tell you guys, I was very happy. It was actually my first time to use gel on my hair, and yeah, I was really happy with this product. It worked so well. The application was smooth, and I was just loving every moment of it. So I watched a couple of videos on how to lay edges. I kid you not, I have no baby hairs at all. So I had to pull out my edges, like I had to pull out the baby hairs, guys. But I'm so glad that I achieved something, although the other side is not equal with the other one. But anyways, we move. So I'm just tying my hair, tying the hair extension onto my hair pony. And yeah, I'm using this technique because it will be much easier for me to just braid the hair straight away, since yeah guys, it's not really easy to braid your hair, especially like a big ponytail. So you just have to find a strategy that will suit you best. So this is one of my easiest, like I feel like it's an easy strategy to do your braided pony hairstyle in. Yeah. So I removed a bit of the hair extension, tied it around my neck. So now I've parted my 3 hair strand braid extensions. And now I am just going to start braiding. I realized that, you know what, I need to actually start braiding like from the bottom. As you can see that this hair extension is not the best. It is so tangly, like oh, I had to detangle a lot, guys, hence why we edit videos. But anyways, so at least I got the flow of braiding the hair. And yeah guys, so I'm using the downward method, and the reason why I'm using the downward method is because it will come out like looking more tighter and neater. Yeah, so I'm almost there, almost done. I tell you guys, braiding your hair is like an arm workout. It is not easy. Beauty is indeed pain. But anyways, so now I've taken the extension which I had tied around my neck. So I'm going to use this extension just to cover up the connecting part, if I could say, of where the braid starts and yeah, just to give it a more seamless look, you know. So I've just applied some gel just to smoothen out the extension, and I'm just gonna start tightly wrapping the hair extension around that area. And I'm also gonna go in with got to be glue just to ensure that that hair extension is set in place, because you don't want it to move, guys. So yeah, so I'm just gonna keep on repeating this until the hair extension is done. So I'm going in with my mousse, just giving it a little bit of a shake there as well. Yeah, so I'm just evenly spreading the hair mousse across the braid, just to, you know, tuck away any sticking out hair strands and just giving the hair braid more of a seamless look, just giving it that extra finished touch up. So now I'm going in with the TRESSEMME Extra Hold Firming Spray, just to give my hair more of a firm look and just to give it that extra hold. So I'm gonna go on and accessorize my braided ponytail. I am so happy, guys, with how my braided ponytail came out. I didn't want it to be very long, so I'm happy with the length. I am happy with how it is sitting on my left hand side, because I didn't want it to fall behind my back just to be a straight ponytail at the back. No, I actually wanted it to sit on one of my shoulders, and I'm quite happy that it actually turned out to sit on my left hand side. Yeah, so I'm really happy that I was able to achieve this look, guys. Like, I am so super proud. I'm so glad that I didn't doubt myself. I just knew that I was going to be able to do it. You know, when you put your mind to something, I tell you, you can achieve a lot. Indeed, never doubt yourself, girlfriend. I absolutely love the length of my low braided pony. I love the ombre look. I can't remember where I got this hair extension from. I think I got it from my friend, and Yosh, I got it from her, and because she had a leftover pack and she gave it to me. But anyways, guys, I absolutely love this sleek look, and please do comment down below and subscribe, like this video. I'll catch you on the next one, and this is my finished look. My edges are in check and the girl is happy.